This is about to be the most chaotic tutorial you see today, but you just have to trust my process on this one, guys. So hi guys, today we're going to be trying out the UK Black Girl Aesthetic makeup. I already have my 30-inch bust down installed and my lashes installed, so let's just get right into the makeup look. So first of all, I started with my moisturizer, then I went to my concealer. This one was blending out like a dream. I thought all was going well, right? Wrong. Then I went to my lighter concealer. Then at this point, it was really not blending, so I sprayed my face. I was laughing, but it was not funny. I had somewhere to go, so I was really scared at first. But this is how they say this works on TikTok, right? So let's go. So I was blending, and it was coming out together. I was like, girl, you already know how to do this. Why did you doubt yourself in the first place, right? So I put in my cream blush. This one blending like a dream. Then I put in my setting powder, the bright under eyes, the aesthetic. And I put my blush, more blush. And they don't joke with their nose contour. They have this button cute nose. So I did that also. My brows were on fleek as it should. And they have the simplest eyeshadow look. So I just did that. And they have the cutest nude lips, glossy lips. So I just did just that. And their lashes are always on fleek. And, blush is their aesthetic. So why not? And their highlighter, their nose, the button nose is so beautiful all the time. So I gave myself this cute little birthmark. How did I do?